He's sitting over there. All right, we got Johnson Simmons, round one.
Hey, let's keep it tight.
Hell, they can't get their shit together, but give Simmons a little more time to get his shit going.
Yeah! Oh, you're
Simmons buying his time. Oh, good body shot.
Watch the head. Come on, man. Shit. Don't get knocked out. She's action, boys. It might go to a fourth round, this one. Nah, dude, just 3 fucking rounds. I'm saying, oh. 10 seconds.
Oh,
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
good body shot.
Come on, I'm about to get a break. 10 seconds. Like Bob, man.
Johnson's out slinging. He's going to wear himself down. He's going to get tore up in the third round.
End
round one.
How's the rib?